Hey beauties, welcome back to my channel Cyrus Creations, and I trust God you all are doing great. Today I'm here with another sewing project which I haven't teach on my channel yet, and I believe this sewing project going to help you in your sewing tips and techniques. Before heading to our today's sewing project, if you are new to Cyrus Creations, you're very warmly welcome. You're gonna learn here sewing, cooking and the egg projects. Just go ahead and subscribe if you already are a regular subscriber. I'm sure you already enjoying all those wonderful projects over here. So our today project is we are going to do on this dress, which is the bridesmaid dress. I have already teach on my channel how to create a new slit on a side of dress or how to increase the slit, but today the project I'm showing you, we are decreasing the size of this open slit. This bridesmaid dress is for teenage, so we are going with modesty. That's why I have closed like 9.5 inch from top, and this project is done very professionally. If you're a beginner especially, you have to pay attention, and this project going to help you a lot while you are doing everything step by step. So let's go ahead and start it.
Alright beauties, so here is our today project. This is bridesmaid dress and it's especially for teenage girl. So since it's for teenage, this dress have like a little too much opening, long slit, and my client wanted to have at least 9.5 inch close of this slit. I already have teach on my channel how to create a slit on the side of dress or how to open more slit, but this is a different project. That's why I wanted to share on my channel. I just got done with the hemming on this dress, especially with the sparkly dress, and it's a knit stitch fabric, hard to work, and this project I already have teach on my channel. It's a double stitch hemming. If you want to learn or if you have to done this project, just browse my playlist Sewing with Syra. So first of all, we have our mark here. So this much need need to close. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to open these all stitches like we have stitches here. Okay, so from my mark, I'm going to open both sides till the top opening here we have. Once I open, and then I will show you the next. This is pretty easy, but all you just have to follow step by step directions. So let's open the previous stitches.
thank you so much for watching our today's sewing project, and I believe you really have enjoyed and you have learned something new today. If you really get inspired by our today's sewing project, please give this video a big thumbs up. Don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and share with your family and friends so many people can learn about sewing, cooking, and your projects. I love you all. God bless you all. Be safe wherever you are and have always abundant life. Bye.